That's what we're doing all day, just spreading love, bro. All love. It's not about love, it's not about nothing. Now I'm about a lot of things. You get that? This is what you call a 15-minute vlog in Salt Lake City Mall, whatever mall we in. What's the name of the mall?
We in Fashion Place.
We in Fashion Place Mall. It don't matter because we hit them all. That's why it's called the mall. Them all. You did. Muchas gracias. Que tengas un buen día.
I mean, if you just want to get cleaned up for the vlog, we take tips, bro. I got you. You want to shoot a little tip? You from Chicago? I'm from kinda close. No, not kinda. Super close. Milwaukee.
Are you from Milwaukee?
Yeah.
Word. You're only 2 hours.
Exactly.
Damn. Black-owned business too, ain't it?
Yes, sir.
That's why we gonna come and show love to the homies, cause if we don't show up for each other, who will?
Exactly.
We don't. We need 2 more.
Gotta support our people. Thank you, bro.
And it's 444. Protect it.
Oh,
got that?
Appreciate you, my guy. Hey, y'all. Love, bro.
Now we're cool off of all these things, bro. Alright, we're gonna head to the next thing. And the next thing that we're looking for, yeah, and we're not actually looking for anything. You get what I'm saying? We attract the good energy, bro. So we're just going out into other places so people can see us. Get what I'm saying? And then after that, then you attract like cool things to you. 20 options, bro. Shout out Almighty Originals. They show love. We went in there, threw us a little gift card, a little discount, let us keep it and still gave us the discount. So Almighty Originals in Salt Lake City. What's the name of the mall again?
Hey, Fashion Place Mall.
Fashion Place Mall, man. Go see them. Go see them. They like that. Shout out to my boy JT. Sent me the 50 ball on the cash out for the birthday. So when it got me a new shirt, man, the first new shirt that I've gotten probably like 3-4 years. I don't even remember last time I got a new shirt. So shout out to my boy JT. Well, I love you, boy.